Well, maybe I'm not meant to go fishing today. Trolling motor's been messing up, the new one. Finally got it running. I don't know what was going on with it. But anyway, and now I can't get my little camera to work. So, real late. I'm 2 hours late getting out here, and it's already in the afternoon. So, let's see if we can catch one fish and make a halfway decent video today. All right, let's get at it. All right, first fish of the day. I had to throw it basically on top of his head, I guess, because he hit it as soon as he hit the water, but it looks real big from there. He's tiny, he's tiny. All right, buddy. See you later. I only realized that I had another attachment in my tackle bag, well, in my camera bag. So, I've got this view. I don't know if I can flip it around or not. Let's see. Yeah, just kind of shows the front of the kayak, though. Oh, there we go. That's not bad. All right. Not that there's much to see. I'm not really catching anything. I caught that one little one, so let's see if we can find another one. Just hooked something massive, but if I got to look at it, I think it's a big old catfish. Yep. It's a big old catfish. Yeah, my Yumdinger. Yeah, my Yumdinger. Hang on, I gotta get my net. I haven't needed a net all day. I'm going netting. I don't know if he ran into it, if he tried to bite it. Hang on, buddy. Oh, this is so stupid. Oh my gosh. All right. That's a big old cat. That's a big old, I gotta get out of this spot. Hang on. I'm glad I figured out how to do reverse. Okay. This is a big catfish. I don't eat catfish anymore. Well, I definitely ain't cleaning them. But he's got a big old head. Sheesh. Alright, dude, don't jump out and fin me, okay? Yeah, well, that's what you tried to do. Hang on, let me move some stuff. Look at this thing. Can you see him? Alright. Get him from underneath. He is huge. I want to call it a fathead because this is a fathead. Look at this thing. Oh, it's cooking in my net. I almost bent my hook. I'm going to have to weigh him. Easy, don't even think about it. I think we're unwrapped. Look at this dude. Now that's a good sized fish. Oh man, get out of there. Y'all tell me, I don't know enough about catfish anymore. He's kind of a bluish gray color, maybe? He is huge. All right, let me get my, probably don't have my scale on me. I was supposed to be fishing a kayak tournament today. Easy boy. I'm got grippers on him. There it goes. All right. That's a good one. Let's see how long he is. Dude, I'm trying to get you back in the water, bud. Just gotta hang on. Hang on. Alright, let's see. He is nose to the board. 20 3/4. He's pretty good size. He's at least 2-3 pounds. I mean, I don't know. Y'all catfish people out there. Big old head. Alright, dude, I'm gonna let you go. If you give me a second. Yeah, baby. Well, hey, that's a good catch. I'll take it. I'll take it. It's bigger than the one I caught in Florida. Back here in this kind of stagnant kind of water, but he hit it up underneath a tree. I cast in the shallows underneath this tree, and he just hammered it. I may have to retie, besides the slime. I thought I got another carp, because I'm at Marrowbone. If I didn't say that, I'm at Marrowbone Lake. It was a kitty. Whew, that's cool. I've never caught, that I know of, that I can remember, a catfish on a Yumdinger. Well, I know I haven't caught one on a Yumdinger. I don't know if I've ever caught one on a plastic worm. Maybe I have. I don't remember, but this is the one that did it. All right, let's see if we can catch a bass. Gotta find another spot. Well, he's not a big one. I wish I had that eat on live. Oh, crap. Because I dragged my bandito bug up over a log and he just blew up on it. But look, he's tiny. Later, buddy. Go get bigger. Oh yeah, they'll show. Water's warm. It's like 2 degrees warmer over here than it was over on the other side. That was cool though. That was really cool. So 2 little bass, 1 big catfish. I maybe got 45 minutes of daylight. See if I can do some more damage. I was thinking about it earlier. I don't think I've had the Outlaw on this lake. I love this lake. It's not huge, but it has been challenging. I've caught a couple of decent fish here, nothing massive. There are big fish in here from what I keep hearing. But the only big fish I caught out of here is the massive carp.